What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go over some more guard recomposing. All right, I'm answering a question that Zanoni asked in our comments down below. So if you guys do have any more questions, feel free to ask them below and I'll be happy to answer. Our last couple of videos we did have all been about recomposing guard, attacks from the guard. So if you haven't seen them yet, check out the channel. But for now, let's jump into how to recompose your guard when the person stuffs your leg in between his legs. So let's take a look at these details. So this is a very common situation in jiu-jitsu that happens when you guys are playing De La Riva, okay? So when I'm playing De La Riva and I'm controlling the ankle and the collar, what happens a lot, the person stuffs the leg in between, pinches his knees, and he starts either going for a folder pass this way, or he starts going for a knee cut, and he can get really heavy here and start to drop a lot of his weight, okay? So there's a lot of different details here on how to keep yourself safe, recompose, guard, or attack. But today I'm just gonna show you guys a really simple and effective way to recompose your guard so that you're safe, all right? Now, when I'm holding his ankle, it's important that I hold the ankle low so that I have control of just about his heel, so that I can pull on the heel, turn it, and I have good control of his leg, all right? The other thing here is my hand position. My hand position can't be in the center of his collar. I don't have as much control here, and it's easy for Cody to reach up and break the grip, okay? I wanna make sure that I take my hand like this and I go deep behind his neck and I take a nice grip right here, and now I can pull down and connect my elbow and my knee together, all right? So there's a few reasons why this grip has to be deep. One is for pulling the posture. The other one is that I can turn my knuckles and push him away if he starts to get too heavy here or crowd me. And the last one, I want to be able to turn his chin and make him look to the side if I want to. Just by taking my hand and flexing my wrist, turning it sideways like this, all right? That's going to make him look into the direction that I'm trying to pull him in and off balance him, okay? My right foot, I can put right behind the thigh, or if the guy's really strong, I'll take my foot and I'll put it right behind his butt like this. All right, so when you guys have this type of control here, you can see I won't move Cody over yet, but I can pull him to me, I can push him away, and I have this little teeter-totter motion going on like this. I can pull him to me, bring him to my chest, where I'm loading him up and push him away. All right, so let's start from here again. I'm gonna play De La Riva. He stuffs my leg, I hook. Now what I'm gonna do, I can pull him to me like this by using my foot behind the butt, bringing the knee in, bringing the hand in. When I get him to here, I'm gonna do the motorcycle grip and make him look towards the direction over there that I'm gonna pull him in. I'm also gonna pull his heel like this, like I'm flexing my bicep, okay? So when I pull his heel and I kick him out, he posts his hands and we have a lot of movement now and a lot of space right here. That's what I'm trying to create, all of this space, okay? Now, my right hand, my knuckles are gonna go into the neck so that he can't come back, and my foot is gonna stay behind the butt, elevated, so that he can't come back, all right? I also have his heel, which I can pull the leg so that it's not touching the mat, and there's no base over here. This means all of his weight is gonna be on his far leg over here, and I have control. So, simple recompose now. I pushed him, I pulled him, I circle my foot, step on his hip, I push him away. Now when I push him away, I step on the far thigh again, and I bring back the De La Riva, and I hug my leg, step on his shoulder, and I start getting into this angle right here, which we talked about in our last video, so you guys can take a look at that. I'll put the link down below, and you'll see how I like to hold my leg here and control the De La Riva. Okay, but now I'm back into my guard, I'm safer, he's gonna calm down a little bit, and now I can start focusing on my attacks. Again, he stuffs, I hook, pull him, step, step, recompose the guard, hug, step again. So as you guys can see too, for you guys that like to play X guard, you like to go leg drag, kiss of the dragon, that stuff is all amazing to do when you have the person off balance like that, because there's so much space, okay? It's not just for recomposing. As soon as he stuffs the leg, I go, okay? Don't kind of sit there and let him wait, okay? Like this right here, when the person's stuffing my leg here, I want to be attacking. I don't want to wait, okay? Because he's going to start forcing the pass, so I can't stay here. I can pull him to me, underhook this leg, start going to X guard, okay? I can start weaving my leg over. That's also a really good option. I can just step on the shoulder, push him away, and pull it out, okay? That's a really good option too. But a lot of times when guys stuff your leg, they're monitoring and holding on to this leg, so you can't pull it over. So that's when I have to turn him, push him over. Now I have him here. I can step on his hip, bring my knee underneath if I want, just like this to X guard, start working for the X, okay? I can recompose guard, or I like to take the pant leg here, start crossing it over and sitting up to take the back, okay? Nice leg drag position here as well. So that right there, guys, is a really, really effective way to recompose your guard. And I think it's something that's like essential to have in your game, especially when you're on bottom, because people are always stuffing the leg, okay? There's so many forms of passing, like the Toriano pass, leg drag, knee through. There's a lot of different passes, but this one you see all the time, because a lot of people like to grab the ankle when they're on bottom, and people like to step over and stuff it and try to look for a really heavy style passing. So this is a great way to elevate the person, give space, recompose, and start attacking so you're not on the defense. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed this video and I did help you with this technique, please do me a favor, hit the like button down below and subscribe. You can touch this little profile button right here. It'll slide on over, hit subscribe, and because I'm looking to grow this channel, please share this video and help me out. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time.